Hello, good morning. This is Dr. Muhammad Ibrar, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science, Ram Lekhan Siyada College, Ranchi. In today's lecture, we are going to see what is do-while loop in C programming language. In my last lecture, I discussed with all of you that what is while loop and for loop. Today, we will see the syntax of do-while loop and the way of working, how it works, and I will show one or two examples of do-while loop. Okay. So let's start. First, what is do while loop? You know what is the importance of looping construction and looping structure in C language and C++ language. Okay, so first of all, let me show that what is the syntax. Here the syntax is, first you have to write do, then open the curly braces, then statement here, then close the curly braces, and finally you write here while, then condition and semicolon. So this is the syntax of do while loop. It is similar to while loop, but it executes statement at least one before the checking the condition, so that this is called exit control loop. And for loop and while loop is called they are called entry control loop. Why? Because in for loop and while loop the condition is checked before entering the body of the loop, but here in do while loop the statements will be executed at least one, either condition is true or false. If condition is true, then the control will go back again into the statement or body of the loop and execute until the condition becomes false. Okay, so this is the syntax of do while loop. Do and then statement, then while condition, here is the condition, and then termination symbol. Okay, now let me give one examples of the do while loop. Here you can start from void main, and you know what is the importance of main. The program executes starting the execution here from the main point. Okay, now you just declare one variable here, int I. Now you can assign 1 to the variable I. Okay, now start do printf %d/n here I. Okay, now check the condition here, while I is less than equal to 10. Okay, while is less than equal to 10, here you can put here I ++. Okay, now get ch and close your program. Here the variable is declared in this line and value will be assigned here into I. Then do statements starts here from here, and now the statement is print %d. So print, you will see one output here, I, the value of I is 1. Then it will be increased by 1, so I become 2. Now it will check the condition, I is less than equal to 10. Yes, I is, the value of I is 2. Then it will go back to the body of the loop and then print here is 2. Okay, then again it will go back in the body of the loop, then print 3 4 5 6 2 till 10. So this will be the output of this program. Okay, but if we change something here in our program, then let's see what will be the output here. Okay, int I printf %d/n I. Okay, and then I ++, then close the this statement, then check your condition, while I is greater than equal to 10. So here you can see the condition is false. You can see in the program the condition is false because the value of I is now 2, and it is false because this is not greater than or equal to 10. So it will not go back to the body of the loop, and it will terminate the program, and output will be like this, only 1 will be printed on the screen. So here you can see the statement will be executed at least once. Okay, then it goes to the condition, and condition will be checked. If condition is true, then it will go back to the statement, otherwise it will not go back to the statement and the program will be terminated. So this is the importance of do while loop, and we can make lots of program using do while loop and as well as while loop and for loop. And also you know what is entry control loop and what is exit control loop. So if we categorize the looping here, you can write like this: entry control loop, entry control loop, entry control loop, and another is exit control loop. Okay, exit control loop. Okay, so entry control loop means the test condition will be checked first, then if the condition is true, then enter into the statement. Okay, but if condition is false, it will not go to the statement. So for loop and while loop are called entry control loop, whereas exit control loop, it will execute it at least once whether condition is true or false. So do while loop is called exit control loop. So these are the importance of the loop, and using loop and different types of decision making and branching, we can develop lots of programs. We can develop some very advanced programs. And after learning these loops and decision making, we will learn some new terms like jumping statement next time. Thank you very much.